Dear parents, very good afternoon. To introduce, I am Ravi Kumar. The aim of this audio visual is to cascade the updates from the meeting that we had with the Joint Collector and the DEO on 27th November and also to share some stock of things. First and foremost, I would like to take this opportunity to thank all parents for giving their valuable time from their professional and personal life. In this context, I would like to call out few names who have been fighting very hard since 8 months and leading this from the front end. Hemantkar is the person who doesn't need any introduction. Followed by we have Renuka Garu, Nidhi Gandhi Garu, Deepika Garu, Ramasagar Reddy Garu, Avinash Garu, Advocates Srinivas Garu, Narendra Garu, Raju Garu, Vijay Garu, Nageshwar Rao Garu, Ravindra Garu, Subhash Garu, Mohan Rao Garu, Jagdish Garu and Kishore Garu. I am so glad to introduce to this group the women wing of our fight, Dr. Navya Garu, Ravati Garu, Rupa Singh Garu, Sirish Garu, Sujata Garu, Nikki Jain Garu, Sandhya Garu, Lakshmi Garu, Sudha Garu and many other parents. From Steel City campus, we have Arun Garu, Chinni Krishna Garu, Kanta Rao Garu, Fani Kumar Garu and many other parents. My apologies if I forgot any of your names as I do not have all the names available with me. I would also like to thank all ladies and gentlemen who came and stood in support to display our strength at various occasions. Fighting for this long is always a tedious task. Therefore, we deserve a golden prize. The golden prize is nothing but achieving a procedural compliance by the management of Timpani schools. Till then, kindly note there is no responsibility on us to pay full fee as we are protected by the stay order issued by AP High Court. We have already communicated our stand on this to the school management through our minutes of the meeting sent in an email dated 23rd November 2020. While we do this AV, the latest update we got is that the teachers are chasing parents to pay full fee before 1st December. Let me tell you why 1st December. The writ petition filed by the management expected to be listed on 1st December, meaning the matter will be tabled for hearing on this day. The other reason could be the DEO served a show cause notice to the school on 27th November as the management kept ignoring all orders no matter whether issued by the court or the government. Therefore, the management is rushing us to pay before 1st December so as to collect full fee till date. Given this, we kindly request parents to hold payments unless otherwise the demand is for the payment of tuition fee alone. Kindly note, to this extent we are protected by the stay order issued by AP High Court. I would also like to draw your attention to the messages that the management was circulating, of which I would like to clarify about the message sent on last Thursday, the 26th November. Like Black Monday, I would like to class this day as Black Thursday, as the management is trying to take away our efforts and create a parallel process with few names claiming they are the parent association recognized by the management. In this regard, I would like to clarify parents as well as the management that the parent association is a body to be elected by the majority parents. Hence, management has no role to define parent association of their choice. Therefore, kindly request parents not to carried away by these messages sent by the management. Read the academic year 2020-21. The full calendar is not out yet, to be released by the center and to be adopted by the states. Getting full calendar from the center for this year is very unlikely, as the direction says so. Reason, we have an alternative academic calendar called Pragita. However, in one of our meetings, we are clarified by the management that they have standard instructions to promote students from class LKG to 8th to next year. This seems to be a standard instruction set for all the schools affiliated to CBSE and ICSE boards across the country. This probably takes care of academic year 2020 and 21. However, we will check and get back to you on this very soon. For classes 9 to 12, we will also check and let you know the stand of the respective boards very soon. Now, let me tell something about meeting we had with Joint Collector and DEO. The meeting supposed to be attended by the school management. However, they didn't show up as they knew they will be in fix as they cannot manipulate things in front of higher authority. In the meeting, we walked through the sequence of events between 29th April to 25th November and clearly articulated how management of Timpani schools bypassing not only government instructions but also stay order issued by AP High Court. We are pleased to let all parents know that the district educational officer has got an approval from the joint collector. Also, he was guided to consult government pleader and pursue the matter as per the rule of law. In the meeting, we also raised two key expectations of our parents. The way forward, as the management is constantly chasing parents to pay full fee, and for the students who have stopped from attending online classes, we requested to restore classes at the earliest. For this, we got clarification from JC that the parents can stop payment if the demand by the management is to pay full fee, as it amounts to the violation of High Court stay order. And about online classes, Joint Collector Director DEO to incorporate our expectations in the communication that is being sent to the management of Timpani schools. The management is supposed to respond on this. If no response being heard, the matter will be tabled in front of AP High Court. Post the meeting, we submitted a complaint to the DEO and requested to initiate necessary steps at the earliest. Accordingly, in no time, the proceedings were issued by the DEO on 27th November itself to show cause why action shall not be taken to close the school as the management is not obeying AP High Court orders and government issued orders from time to time. Before we conclude, the visuals in this video clearly articulate sequence of events between 29th April and 27th November. We request parents to invest 3 to 4 minutes of your time to go through the details and get updated yourself. Else, the purpose of this AV is defeated. We also request parents to circulate this audio visual in all parent groups and ensure all of us will have equal understanding of rule position and realize management's responsibility to obey AP High Court orders. This helps to a great extent as we paying full fee either out of ignorance or out of fear or out of pressure as the management threatening parents and children. Thank you for your patience listening.